I give my body what it needs: proper sleep, nutritious food, and physical activity. I enjoy every moment of self-care, whether it's a relaxing bath or a long walk. My body responds to my love and becomes stronger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. I feel filled with vitality. I accept myself as I am, with all my strengths and weaknesses. I forgive myself for past mistakes because they helped me grow. I believe that I have all the necessary skills and talents to achieve my goals. My self-improvement is a path full of joy and discovery, and I gladly walk it. Money comes to me easily and freely from various sources. I use my talents and knowledge to create value and receive a worthy reward for it. I enjoy my work and attract successful projects and opportunities into my life. My financial success is growing, bringing me freedom and confidence. I am open to new connections and deep bonds. I easily and freely express my feelings, which helps me build trusting relationships. I value sincerity and respect, and those are the kinds of people who appear in my life. Every relationship I have is filled with mutual understanding and support. My inner wisdom is my most reliable guide. I find balance between my dreams and reality, between my thoughts and feelings. I believe in the power of intuition, which always leads me to the right decisions. I feel connected to all living things, and this connection fills me with harmony and peace.